Like the other, pwede dito. Look at the snow. Grabe. This is the view of the whole city, I guess, but not too sure. Gusto namin ng asawa ko umakyat doon, kaya lang daw hagdan. Try namin. So I'm going to show you one side where they put on the padlock. Wow, nice, nice. Okay, this is the famous padlock bridge. Okay, okay. What we're gonna do is we're going to put our padlock as well. Okay. Okay. Ito pa yung isang bridge na maraming lock. Pamulado sa baba, meron pa dito. Sabi ng anak ko, yun, naglalakad sila. Look at the snow. Dun pa daw. Ewan ko saan niya ipasakabit to. Baka dun sa London Bridge. Okay, sige. So, this is the highest peak of the bridge. May mga, yan, keychain, keychain and padlock. So, we decide to put ours here. Wow! Together with the name of our 5 beautiful kids. Okay, there you go. Taking picture ng daddy niya.
Or ano na lang, buhat. Buhat na lang.
That's the tower. Ah.